Beautiful day to you, lovely children. How are you today? Welcome to Divine Offspring International School Virtual Classroom. Our subject for today is mathematics, and we'll be studying the topic perimeter and area for grade 3 class by me, Miss Gifts Ugoji. Our keywords are perimeter, area, distance, and boundary. For this class, you'll be needing your exercise book, your pen or pencil, your brain. You need to concentrate throughout this teaching. Okay, what is perimeter? Just like you did yesterday. Perimeter is the total distance around a shape. It is the sum of the length of all the sides or boundary of a flat shape. Can you see this shape? When you add all the sides together, you get the what? Perimeter. The total distance around a flat shape. Now, what is area? Area is space, isn't it? Area is the amount of space covered by a flat shape. It is the total space a plane shape occupies. Now, the total space that this shape here is occupying is the area. Formula for finding perimeter and area of plane shapes. For rectangle, you can see a rectangle has the longer side here is a length. This longer side is also the length. Then the shorter side is the breadth. This is also the what? Breadth. So we have length plus breadth plus breadth. It has two lengths, isn't it? Which is 2 lengths plus 2 breadth. Which is 2 into brackets length plus breadth. Since 2 is common here, the 2 is common between these two numbers. So we say 2 into bracket length plus breadth. This is the formula we'll always use whenever we're looking for the perimeter of a rectangle. 2 into brackets length plus breadth. To find the length, length equals perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. Then to find the breadth, breadth equals perimeter divided by 2 minus length. Now, area. Area of a rectangle, we make use of the formula length times breadth. Length times breadth. How to find the length? Length equals area divided by breadth, because division is the opposite of what? Multiplication. Area divided by breadth. To find breadth, area divided by length. Okay, now let's take some examples. Find the perimeter of a rectangle with sides 25 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Here's a rectangle, right? Okay, and perimeter of a rectangle is what? 2 into brackets length plus breadth, which is 2 into bracket 25 centimeters, which is the length, the longer side, plus 20 centimeters, which is the breadth. So when you add 25 to 20, what do you get? 45 centimeters, isn't it? Now, 2 times 45 centimeters gives us 90 centimeters. The next example. The perimeter of a rectangle is 60 centimeters. If the breadth is 14 centimeters, what is the length? Write out our parameters. From the question, you can see that perimeter is 60 centimeters, isn't it? The breadth is 14 centimeters, right? Now we're looking for the length. Okay. Formula for finding the length of a rectangle given the perimeter is perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth, which is 60 divided by 2 minus 14. Now let's divide. 2 in 2 is 1. 2 in 6 3. 2 in 0, 0. So we have 30 minus 14 centimeters, right? So 30 minus 14, what does it give us? 16 centimeters. Let's take another example. Given that the perimeter of a door is 42 centimeters and its length is 14 centimeters, calculate the area of the door. Now we want to find the area. Let's first write out our parameters. The perimeter is 42 centimeters. The length is 14 centimeters, right? And we are asked to find the area. We are asked to find the area. But before we find the area, we must first of all find the breadth, because area is length times breadth, isn't it? We only have length and we have the perimeter. So we'll use these two to find the breadth first. Then we find the area. Breadth equals perimeter divided by 2 minus length. What's our perimeter? 42 centimeters divided by 2 minus 14. Now 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 42 is what? 21. Then minus 14, which gives us 7 centimeters. Our breadth now is 7 centimeters. Now we can find the area. What's the formula for area of a rectangle? It's what? Length times breadth, right? Okay. Which is 14 centimeters. This is the length. And the breadth is 7 centimeters, which you just found. So 14 times 7, what does that give us? 98 centimeters square. Now let's do the last example. Are you ready? Alright. If the area of a rectangle is 144 meters square, if the length is 18 meters, what is the perimeter? Let's write out our parameters. Area is 144 meters square. The length is 18 meters, right? To find the perimeter, we must first of all find the breadth, isn't it? We must first find the breadth. Okay. So the breadth is area divided by length. Area over length, which is 144 divided by 18. When you divide it properly, you get 8 meters. So now that we have the length and we now have the breadth, let's now find the perimeter. Now, perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into bracket length plus breadth, which is 2 into bracket 18 plus 8, right? And 18 plus 8 is what? 26. Now 26 times 2. 26 times 2 gives us 52 meters. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Let's take a summary of what we just did. We looked at perimeter of a rectangle. We studied area of a rectangle. Then we also studied finding length of a rectangle. We even also did finding area given the perimeter and finding perimeter given the area. Wow, hope you enjoyed today's class. Attempt all the questions you have in your activity 2 and also your assignment. Submit to the portal. For now, it's bye.